In this video, I'm going to show how to do a very simple if test in a Java program. We're starting with a program where we're doing some simple math, where we say, okay, we have miles per gallon, gallons of gas, and a distance we want to drive. And at the end, we say, okay, here's how far we've driven. So with a distance of 50, miles per gas of 25, we get gas consumed of 2, gallons remaining of 8. Now, what if I take this up to a distance of 500 and then I run the program? Let's see what happens. We get gas consumed 20, gas remaining negative 10. Obviously, that's not a desirable outcome because we would have run out of gas by that time. So let's make this output here conditional. Let's only show this if we have positive 0 or more gallons of gas remaining in the tank. If we don't have 0 or more gallons, let's show a different message. For this, I'm going to start with a simple if test. I simply start a new line with the word if, a parentheses, open and close, and then I say if gallons of gas is less than, or actually, let's say greater than or equal to 0, then I'm going to do open curly. Very careful here, my curlies are out of balance because you notice I've only put in an open, not a closed curly, so let's be very delicate and careful where we put the closed curly. I put the closed curly here, indent this by 1 tab. That means this line will only print if I have 0 or more gallons of gas left in the tank. Let's go ahead and try that out. We'll try it as is, and we'll see no output because right now we don't have positive gallons of gas left in the tank. But let me take the distance back down to 50, and let's run this program one more time. We run the program again, and we see that sure enough this line printed out. So this line will not execute every time. It will only execute when we have positive gallons of gas left. Now, let's make a mutually exclusive outcome as well. Let me say else. Else with an open curly and then a closed curly. As soon as I do that, I say either this outcome will happen or this outcome will happen, but not both. So for the else part, I'll say SOUT tab, which gives me the system out print line, and say you ran out of gas. You should start walking to a gas station. Something of that nature. Let's run it one more time and see what happens when we have a distance of 50, 10 gallons of gas, miles per gallon of 25. In other words, let's run it when we know we'll have gas left. So I right-click, I choose Run. We get the same answer we got before. Now let me change the distance to 500. Save, right-click, run again, and take a look. You ran out of gas. You should start walking to a gas station. So you see, these two outcomes are mutually exclusive. One will happen, but not both. This is a very simple if test. There are many, many different ways we can write if tests, much more complicated than this. Not to worry, we have other videos where we're going to cover that. But for now, this is all we need to see, a very simple if test. Thank you.